Oh guys, I'm gonna be buying Milwaukee impact wrenches, Milwaukee cordless ratchets, then the quarter inch hex driver kit. What else? And probably a bunch of other stuff as well. Like, let me go. Home Depot. Yep, half inch. All their half inch and 3/8 drives socket sets possible. So I would have every single socket possible that I would need for all the Milwaukee tools I'm looking at buying. Impact wrenches, ratchets, and what else was it? Milwaukee impact wrenches, ratchets, and the driver, and probably other drivers as well. But then I will keep you guys posted on that. So then hopefully you guys understand, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep it on, give me tap to YouTube makes videos to where you get notified when I post. Give me tap. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.